It's a pleasure for me to welcome Sundowns Football Club for the second time, because when I first arrived last year, they came as well to play against a team in Khartoum. So this is my second stint at this welcoming, and it's always a pleasure to welcome a team such as Sundowns. When you speak of Sundowns today, you're speaking about a team that is doing very, very well, not just in South Africa, in the continent, and it has the potential to be a global player, which I think the trajectory is taking them to. You don't have to Google who Sundowns is today. You just know who they are. They continue to achieve and to accomplish in a way that many clubs in the continent have not. And we are saying Sundowns is today defined as a team and is synonymous with quality, with a victory, with doing all the good things that we'd like to see. And we really say to Sundowns, continue achieving as best as you do, because this is not just good for South Africa, it's good for the continent as well.